Hello guys, I hope you guys are fine. In this video we are going to continue our discussion on exception handling. In C++, exception handling is carried out with the help of a try block, the throw statement and the catch block. In this particular video we are talking about rethrowing an exception. This means that we have caught the exception and we are going to rethrow it. Let's look at some of the key points regarding exception handling. So the first point is I have caught the exception and inside the catch block I'm going to throw it. This thrown exception, I use the throw keyword in order to rethrow the exception, and this is caught by the outer catch block. There is no rethrow keyword, please remember that. Let's look at a very simple example which will make things clear. My file will be called as rethrow.cpp and it will be available in the GitHub repository. I'm going to start off by including #include iostream using the standard namespace. I'm not going to make use of any other functions or a class. I'm going to keep things simple. I'm going to have this try block which contains a variable a set to value 10. Please remember, I am not going to do anything else. This is my outer try block. The one that I'm working with right now is my inner try block. In my inner try block I simply check if the value of a is 10, which indeed it is. I'm going to go ahead and catch it. Here I'm going to state down a simple cout statement. I'm going to say first catch block. I'm going to use an endl and I'm going to use the throw keyword. Now I'm going to put an outer catch block. In this outer catch block, I am going to use the default catch handler. Remember, the three ellipses refer to the default catch handler. And I'm going to say rethrown exception caught. Okay, so let me explain what we did with this program. In this program, I have this outer try block. This is the catch block associated with the outer try block. I happen to have an inner try block here, and this catch block that we see is associated with the inner try block, this one here. I set a variable a to 10. I quickly make a comparison if the value of a is 10, which indeed is. So I throw this exception which is caught here. So it should print out first catch block, and then I rethrow the exception using just the throw keyword with no other thing except the throw keyword. So this rethrown exception will be caught by this default catch handler here, and it should say rethrown exception caught. Let's quickly go ahead and let's try to compile it. Got lucky there, no errors. Let's quickly run it. So first catch block coming from the inner catch block, rethrown exception caught coming from the outer catch block. I hope you guys found this video educational. It increased your knowledge about rethrowing an exception. Thank you very much. Be safe, guys.